and welcome to another episode of Outdoor Defense. This week I want to talk to you about weapons, meaning what if the assailant has a weapon? This tends to be a question that I get most often, and here are the facts. It's about 11% of the time an assailant has a weapon when they are attacking a woman. So it doesn't happen often. We hear about it more because it's more sensational, but it isn't the thing that happens the most often. So it does happen, yes, but I don't want that to be the thing that we are sitting here in most fear of, because that's not the most likely scenario. Most attacks are performed by a single unarmed assailant. But if you do have to fight someone who has a weapon, if you take a full contact class or a class that teaches you weapons defense like I've had, it really makes you feel like a badass, because then you can see all the different things that you can do. You understand the psychology of assailants a little bit better, and it makes you feel like, you know what, I can handle myself if I need to. Hopefully I never need to, but if I have to, I can. What can I teach you in this video? Well, I'm going to show you a video of me doing a weapons fight on the trail so that you can see what are some of the options.
Hey, excuse me.
Hey, yeah. Hey, stop right there.
Is that
hey,
trail the one?
Hey, hey. Okay, I see you have a knife.
Come on, we're gonna go in the woods.
Where are we going?
We're going right over here.
Where? I don't
over
see
here.
Where's the point.
Hey, no! No! You broke my nose!
If someone has a weapon and they want your stuff, I suggest you give them your stuff. My stuff's not worth dying for as far as I'm concerned, but only you get to make that decision for your stuff. Now, if they want you, that's a different story. If you can run away, run away. If you can get to safety, get to safety. But if you're in a situation where someone has a weapon and you're too close to them and you have to deal with it, then what are some options? Well, you can continue to try to use your verbal skills, try to negotiate, try to get out of it, and then the object of weapons fighting is you want to try to trap the weapon against your body, their body, or against the ground while you are delivering strikes to them until you can disarm them and then get away. So you want to trap the weapon, control the weapon, and then eventually disarm the weapon away from the person. Now, I have to say this, no matter what you do to survive a situation is the right thing to do. But I'm here to tell you that you are worth fighting for, and if someone is trying to use a weapon to get you to come with them and go with them in some other place, they're using it to try to intimidate you and threaten you and scare you to do what they want you to do. And you are worth fighting for. And the same things that you would do with the person as far as what strikes you can use if they don't have a weapon are the same strikes you use if they do have a weapon. And there are so many vulnerable spots on a human body. And again, use your voice, so you do have options. All right, I hope this is helpful. Again, you would learn so much more in a full class, but this is what information I can give you here. I hope it's helpful. I hope the other video is helpful, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. And tune in next time for the next Outdoor Defense.